On August 30th, 2022, police were called to a bus station after a woman became upset over missing her bus and began creating a disturbance, while demanding answers about the next bus arrival. What began as a simple misunderstanding quickly escalated once officers got involved.
I can't leave till my bus comes. These people refuse to talk to me like a human being, so I have to cause a whole scene. No, because I was at the window for an hour talking to you guys like a human being.
Stand in the middle of the road.
Then remove me. I'm not going anywhere.
If you refuse to leave, you're going to be subject to arrest. What do you need?
I just need to know where my bus is. No, because I did. This man is on the phone with supervisor. Supervisor won't even come talk. I've been at the window for an hour. This is what I have to do. I have to cause this.
Listen, you see what I'm wearing?
I see what you're wearing. I don't care. I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart.
I'm trying to help you. And for me to help you, I'm not going to stand in front of no buses.
For you to help me, I have to cause a scene.
You're not. That's not going to help you. That's not going to help you.
I do.
That's not going to help you.
But you just said you were trying to help me, right?
Exactly. So I'm trying to help you on the
After
side
I
of the
did
road.
all of this, so when I was at the window politely
causing an
speaking to
issue.
exactly. Because that's how you get a supervisor. Because when I was standing there, yes, please.
If you refuse to leave, do you want
Of course, the captain want to physically remove me. Please do.
I'm going to explain to you right now. If you refuse to leave, you are subject to arrest.
Please do. Thank you. Sir, we can talk over there now that I've stood here for an hour and did all of this. I just want to have to do all that. But I did because I've been at the window for an hour asking for a manager. So if you want to argue with me, I can back up in front of this bus again because I'm not here for that. Yo, I will go to jail. That's what I need you to understand. Thank you. Physically remove me. Physically remove me. Because I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay.
Yup. You're going to have to walk me because what are you doing? This is a lot easier, isn't it?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Right.
Because in a minute I'm going to start swinging. No. For what? You're not my damn daddy.
Just wait. Just wait, because you're making it more
Please
difficult.
do.
Just wait.
Please
You're making it way more
do.
difficult than it has to be. Now you're going to jail.
No.
Now you're going to jail for something you could have avoided. Something you could have. Now you're going to jail for. Okay,
There's so many people. They can't even all get on the bus.
Now you're going to jail for something you could have
I don't
avoided.
care. Why are you still trying to go back and forth with me like a kid? You're an adult, right?
I am an
You're just
adult.
doing your job.
You're a
Shut
child.
the fuck up like him. Record like him. Just record him.
All right.
Just
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
If you refuse to put your hands behind your back, that is resisting. Put your hands behind your back now.
Break my arm.
That's fine.
Break it. No, don't cut my back.
Exactly. So put it down.
Okay. Slim, now cut me.
Now put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. Look at you.
Oh. Stop.
Stop. You don't have to do all this.
Stop. 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 Let go. Let go. Stop resisting. Let go. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Put on my radio. Hey, stop. Yeah, what's security? My radio went to had it better.
Was there 44?
No, I don't think give you one.
She definitely whacked me multiple times.
Hey,
stop.
You got a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Yeah, 5'9".
Can I get a glass of money also? I can search her, then we'll throw her in the car. Does she need medical?
Do you need medical attention, ma'am? Oh, you don't need it. All right.
Right back up. 56.
Question 95, K9 on Control North.
Now, instead of getting trespassed after a warning, you're getting battery on LEO.
I don't care. Why are you still talking?
Princeton and Walmart.
For something that you could have avoided.
It would have been a bloody shot.
Well played. Well played. Well played.
RTR, need a sergeant or no?
Go ahead.
Yeah, call your sergeant. Stupid. Don't touch me. Don't f***ing touch me.
You're going with me, so that matters.
Hey, stop. Calm down.
You too.
Calm
Shit.
down.
Call RTR.
That works.
That works.
Probably got things bag and stuff over there.
Yeah.
I'm just wiping my face.
Your emergency warehouse.
You want my address? I'll text it to you. Right. Definitely text the address.
Go ahead.
You definitely don't got it.
Black Mill Alpha Delta 13.
Can I?
Victor Black Mill Alpha Delta 13.
Any talk target for immediate, Signal 30,
Right.
OBT and South.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. This way.
Box, I'm going to send it to me. Nice.
She's gonna search you real quick. She's gonna search.
For OBT and South at Signal 30, white female, black jacket, lying in the middle of the roadway, heading for a back.
Just say that.
Can somebody get a statement from security?
The 1098 Oscar Charlie and Honorable Michael Howard Delta 13.
Alright. Sure you want to check
Any
them out with?
back,
That's like it's the blade. Goofy.
Stop resisting. Get in the car.
30 Thompson downtown 1905.
Somebody got a seatbelt from outside.
Don't worry, I'll send the address. You definitely come in and get this shit.
If I'm going to borrow you a bag.
Who need a statement?
Some security.
Guy with the shades on, right?
Head first.
What's the front seat?
Some security.
I can't breathe with this shit on my face.
You need medical attention.
No, I just need this shit on my face. I don't need shit from you. I can't breathe with the door shut.
I'll put the window down.
Have a lane. Head towards Steve. For Echo 10, Anderson.
Unlock. Wendy. Sergeant Weaver, Atlanta Police. What happened today?
You want the whole story?
Sure.
Or the part that got me arrested? Or
Whatever you want to tell me.
I got here a minute after my bus left. I spent an hour going back and forth to the person, asking when the next bus was coming. She kept promising me a later time. I asked to speak to a supervisor. She refused to get a supervisor. So I stood here and caused a big scene so that I could get a supervisor. After 5 buses bagged up and multiple people called the supervisor, he finally came over, and instead of being a supervisor and being professional, he was an asshole. I was like, F you, I could just stand here all day. He became that. And your officers, instead of speaking to me like a human being or just escalating the situation, they wanted to push me and force me to sit down. And that's where things got to be a problem. Okay, yeah, I have an attitude, whatever, but that does not give you the right to put your hands on someone. He is not my father. He cannot force me to sit down. And you guys may think you have the right to force someone to sit down, but you don't. Like, I don't care where y'all wrote that shit, you don't. Like, you really don't have that. And that's where, when he pushed me down, he caused me to hit my head on that pole, and that's when I started swinging. Like, I blacked out. I don't do that. I didn't put my hands on him. I didn't put my hands on anybody. I may have been rude. I may have been very disrespectful, and that's that. But that does not give you the right to put your hands on anyone. Because if I came up to you guys, and I felt like you were rude, and I just started swinging on you, it would have been a problem. So, vice versa. And that's where the whole thing went left. When he forced me to sit down and push my head into that pole over there.
Okay, so the officer says, I told you to sit down.
Right.
correct? Okay. Were you blocking the road here?
Yes. At the time he told me to sit down. No, sir, I was no longer blocking the road. We were face to face like this. He could have spoke to me, but he wanted to force me to sit down. So he kept trying to bag me up into that spot. And when I refused to sit down, he tried to yank me down and push me into the pole. That's not, he could have spoken to me multiple times. Even if I was loud, even if I was like, you know, like, and there was points where I was waiting for them to speak to me like a person. Like, that's what I'm saying. And then when you're saying stuff that has nothing to do with the situation at hand, I was like, F you. I don't want to talk to you anymore. And that made him upset. So he felt like he needed to force me to sit down. And I'm pretty sure his body camera will show that. And that's where we're going with this. Just look at the body camera.
When they're conducting investigations, they can tell you to sit down. That's within their rights. Actually, yes, I am. It is.
I'm listening to you, but that's not.
Okay, well.
You can't take my rights away.
Oh, he wasn't.
He was, though. When he forced me to sit down, and this isn't a debate.
If he's conducting an investigation,
there was nothing to investigate.
I don't know what the crime was here, but if he's doing an investigation, he's within his rights to have you sit down.
Okay, that's for the judge to decide.
Are you injured in any way?
Yeah, he hit my head against the pole, and that's when I started swinging on him. That's what I'm saying. When you forced me to try to sit down when you didn't need to, I get it. You wanted to talk to me, but fine. We were out of the way, and like I said, you will see that we stopped on several points before we got to the point where he felt like he needed to force me to sit down. So again, when we get to court, which I'm sure we're gonna go to court, I can just pull up the body cam because there's no debate here.
Okay. Do you have anything else for me though?
No, there was no need for you to even. Yeah.
Watch your feet, watch your hands, please.
Like I said, I'm just meeting you now.
Yeah.
No reason to get good. Okay. I'm here to help you now.
Yeah.
Turn around real quick.
That was the firefighter. Okay.
Hold on. So just do me a favor. You got tiny wrists. So just don't try to get out of those. Around me for about 5 minutes, all right? All right, man. I'm going to put the seatbelt for you, okay?
The woman was charged with trespassing, resisting arrest, and battery on a law enforcement officer. Do you believe the charges were justified? Or could officers have de-escalated the situation differently? Share your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Bodycam Reality for more real cases.